In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Begin by opening the Cash App and navigate to the Bitcoin section. Here, locate and click on the Buy Bitcoin option. Next, enter the amount you wish to invest in Bitcoin, and then confirm the transaction following the provided prompts. While still in the Bitcoin section, find and select Send Bitcoin option. Input the Bitcoin wallet address of the recipient. Ensure accuracy by double-checking the address. Next, review the transaction details, including the amount and recipient address. Choose the desired withdrawal method or speed, for example, priority or standard, and then finalize the transaction by confirming the details and completing the process. You successfully completed 2 essential tasks on Cash App, like purchasing Bitcoin and sending it to another wallet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.